You have finished.
Are you ready?
You have to stay by them.
Who is talking? Is it chairman? Chairman.
We were called for the meeting, so
Why you decided yesterday? What is the outcome of the meeting today?
The outcome of today's meeting is that, to the glory of God, we have been able to resolve the differences that has been causing our party some headache within the National Working Committee. We thank God that we've been able to open up to ourselves and resolve to move on as a united National Working Committee, which is what we needed for the progress of our party, People's Democratic Party.
What are the issues resolved, sir?
The issues resolved are the differences that have permitted the rank and file of the National Working Committee, which I cannot be itemizing them for you now.
All right,
Yeah, that was not part of our discussion.
you are not in the capacity to start from.
I said it was not part of our discussion, and I'm not in position to talk about next meeting. I'm the chairman, National Reconciliation Committee. There were differences in the National Working Committee, and that I've done. My job is finished. Thank you very much.